If Facebook Messenger is not showing all messages on your iPhone, okay, don't worry. This is a common issue and I'm going to help you fix it step by step. This problem would usually happen because of end-to-end encryption sync issues, hidden folders, or small app glitches. So what you're going to want to do is follow these fixes ahead. First thing you're going to want to check is Secure Storage Sync. Open Messenger, tap the menu right here, then tap the Settings gear icon. Scroll down a bit and look for Privacy and Safety. Tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Then tap Message Storage. Now make sure Secure Storage is turned on. If not, then generate Security PIN and then go Next. And if it's already on and messages are missing, go ahead and tap Sync Now if you see it. If that doesn't work, let me check another trick with you. Turn Secure Storage off. Wait a bit, then turn it back on again. This would force a refresh and bring back missing chats in many cases. Now, if messages are still missing, what you're going to want to do next is check Hidden Folders. Go back and tap the menu again. Look for Message Requests over here. Tap it. Now check You May Know and Spam tabs. A lot of messages would be hiding here and not showing in your main inbox. Okay, next fix is to check Archived Chats. Tap the menu, then tap Archive. Look for missing conversations right here. If you find one, press and hold it and unarchive it. Oh, great! It would come back to your main chat list. If everything looks fine but messages are still not showing, then this could be an app issue. What you're going to want to do is update Messenger. Open the App Store, search Messenger, and update it if available. After that, give me a sec. We're going to clear the app data. Go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Look for Messenger and tap it. Tap Offload App, then reinstall it again. This would clear cache and fix sync issues without removing your account. Now, if you're still trying to find messages, you can do one more check. Open a browser and go to messenger.com. Log into your account and check your messages over there. If you can see them there but not on your iPhone, then the issue is only with your app. Finally, if you can see chats but not new replies, there might be a restriction on your account. This would happen if you send a lot of messages quickly or violate some rules. Anyways, these are the best ways to fix Facebook Messenger not showing all messages. Make sure you follow each step ahead and check properly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask, and I would like to help.